Hi friends, today we're going to read Let It Rain. Let it rain, it's spring. Singing birds, budding trees, frogs and tulips, honeybees. Singing birds. I see the frog and there's some tulips. Oh, and the honeybees are just flying around. Digging, tilling, seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. They're working on their garden. But then heavy downpours, rivers flood, our flower garden turns to mud. Oh no, they're watching from their window. Lots of water. Let it rain, rainbows, green grass, soccer fun, swinging in the sun. There's a rainbow. Lambs and bunnies, puppy licks, newborn kittens, and little chicks. So many little animals. Building, painting, way up high in our little house in the sky. They're making a tree house. But then black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer pants. Looks like they had a picnic and then all of the bugs found their food. Oh no. Let it rain, riding, gliding, cupcake treat, twirling, dancing, boop bop beat. So much going on. They're dancing in the sun. But soon, steamy classroom, blazing heat, wearing sandals on our feet. Oh, it's changing seasons. Hooray, hooray, last day of school, heading to the swimming pool. There they go. Summer is coming, let it shine. There we go, enjoy the sunshine. Bye guys.